Boredom of routine is a tax on long-term success. An observation on the lives of the most successful people that I've worked with and been around, they are very, very boring. And what that means is we all have this impression that successful people live these lives that are glamorous, high flying, fascinating lives, jumping from event to event to event to event to event, vacation to vacation, gala to gala, all these things, boom, boom, boom. And we see all these things on social media and whatever. But what you see like on the surface or on social media masks the reality of what created it underneath. The reality is most success is built on the back of long, painful, boring periods of extremely disciplined routines. Kobe Bryant famously said, "Be brilliant at the basics." You have to execute the fundamentals over a very long period of time if you want to achieve any amount of success at anything. And if you just boil it down to what's the most boring things that I need to do as my fundamentals to be the best human I can be: eat well, move well, sleep well, think well. Focus on those 4 things and be very disciplined and boring with your routine. That's going to create long-term health. Long-term health. And long-term health is one of the greatest predictors of living the good life. And so if you need novelty to stay interested and motivated, you won't make it very far. To shine in the light, you have to enhance and embrace the boredom in the dark. You have to do the work when no one's watching, day in, day out. You have to do the work every single day when no one's watching, day in and day out. That's being brilliant at the basics. That's executing the ordinary, mundane tasks on a consistent basis to the highest possible level that you can, of eating well, moving well, sleeping well, and thinking well. Focusing on those fundamentals, creating that routine so that you can have the greatest amount of health in your life. Again, a great predictor of long-term happiness and living the good life. And so again, number 3 is boredom of routine is a tax on long-term success.